Dear students, now I have to explain by one chart related to extraction of ore. So this is ore. First, generally impurities is removed by this concentration of ore. Concentration of ore, it means impurity is removed from ore. Okay. 2 or 3 process: fourth flotation process, hydraulic washing process, magnetic separation process. Generally impurity is removed. Magnetic separation by iron ore is separated, it means impurity is removed related to iron ore. Magnetic separation. Sulfide ore is separated by fourth flotation process. Remaining hydraulic washing process. So I discussed how will you remove impurity from ore. In this term I told you concentration of ore. Now listen. First, this side. 3 types of reactivity series of metal: low reactivity series of metals, medium reactivity series of metal, and high reactivity series of metal. The first, how will you extract low reactivity series ore? So listen, metals of ore reactivity. Generally, sulfide ore is considered as low reactivity series ore. Okay, sulfide ore. Now, generally, it will be extracted by roasting process. Roasting process, I told you कि sulfide ore reacts with oxygen and metallic oxide. I think sulfide ore is converted into metallic oxide. So roasting. Further, it is heated to get metal. Okay. Now listen. Metal, after extraction metal, it is refined to get pure metal. Okay. So low reactivity series ore is extracted by roasting process. Okay. Further, it is refined to get pure metal. Now listen. Metals of medium reactivity series. So generally it will be extracted by 2 process: calcination and roasting. I think metallic carbonate ore is extracted by calcination process, and sulfide ore is extracted by roasting process. Okay, I think some metallic sulfate will be extracted by this process also. Okay, but medium reactivity, low reactivity to by roasting process, but medium calcination or roasting. I think calcination or by roasting. Metallic carbonate or metallic sulfate is converted into metallic oxide. Further, it is reduced to get metal. Pure metal. After that, it is refined. You can say it is purified. To get pure metal. Okay. So medium reactivity series based ore I discussed related to extraction. Now listen, high reactivity metallic ore. Okay, so generally it will be extracted by electrolytic reduction process. Electrolytic reduction process. Further, it is purified to get pure metal. Generally, during electrolysis, suppose that sodium chloride, it is extracted by electrolysis. The sodium is deposited at cathode and chloride is deposited at anode. In this way, metallic ore, halide ore will be extracted. Further, it will be refined to get pure metal. Okay, so I discussed about extraction of ore to get pure metal. All students see this chart and try to understand concept of extraction of metal from its ore, or steps involved in the extraction of metal from ores. All students listen this video and try to understand. Thank you.